Let her go out front. Drive around on the front yard. You go out on the grass. Jonathan. You can go a little faster out there. Is that fun?
I'm gonna drive again.
You
Put the
do.
brake on.
I'm gonna drive
Mm.
Like
again.
the parking brake.
Oh, you
Don't do that.
move your leg, hold that down, and you pull that up, and then you let go of it. No, I'm sorry. Do it the other way. Push it down. Your leg's in the way or something, baby.
Move away, John.
Now let go of it. I think that... No, something's not doing right or something.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, can I drive?